name is Leslie Dunlap. I'm 53 years old. I am the owner of Fifth Mountain Therapy, Fatty Cake Soap Company, which of course is the best soap company in the world, and Basic Faces. I have an extremely active lifestyle. I don't stop. At work, I'm on my feet all day. I try to make other people feel better. The joint pain before surgery was really debilitating. I had a hard time at work. I'm on my feet all the time. I'm on my feet with my patients and my clients. I'm on my feet with making the soaps, and it was getting extremely difficult. Even when I sat down to work on my clients, it was extremely painful. I kept adjusting, oh, why does this hurt? Why does this hurt? Why does this hurt? There were times I actually cried. I cried, usually in the middle of the night when I couldn't sleep. And then of course, my personality, my go, 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 was stop, stop, stop. And that really hit my head hard. It was extremely depressing to have that much pain. I said, this is enough. I have to go see Dr. Jones. My hip replacement at the Center for Joint Replacement at Trumbull Regional Medical Center, there were no lapses in information. They told me everything that was going to happen, when it was going to happen, how it was going to happen, and if I had questions to ask, and I didn't even have to ask because they were answered ahead of time for me. After surgery, my couple of biggest goals was actually to get back on my motorcycle. Four-wheeling, we do a lot of four-wheeling. We have a camp in Kennerdale, Pennsylvania. Hiking, we did a lot of hiking. Short-term recovery, I was back to work in 3.5 weeks. I was on a lighter schedule, which is fine because it's just my energy level that took time to come up. There was no pain. And like I said, once the pain was gone, all bets were off. I was on a go. If somebody was on the fence with the positive experience that I had, I would tell them, yeah, please go check out the Center for Joint Replacement at Trumbull Regional Medical Center. My experience was phenomenal.